नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। प्रोग्राम नेम एमिड थर्ड सेम, सब्जेक्ट नेम सेकेंडरी एंड सीनियर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन, module name, session name as the best medium of instruction. English needs to find its place along with other Indian language, multiple multilingual character of their classroom. A multilingual classroom is a classroom with learners having more than one language at their disposal, irrespective of level of competence, including learners for migrant background such as first and second generation and newly arrived immigrants and refugees. Some of the features observable in a multilingual classroom are: linguistically, all languages are equal. The speakers of the language which is chosen as the medium of instruction enjoy greater power. Officially, the students are expected to use the school's single medium of instruction in all the periods of subjects. Challenges and strategy of for multilingual education in India. Market demands and the politics of power, systematic drivers of for language decisions are not educational. School organization constraints teacher ethos on the issue of purity of language. Greeting ask you multilingual students to teach their classmates a greeting in their home language. Develop a routine whereby at the start of the day you greet your students in the school language and then in each of their home language, with the whole class responding to the series of greeting accordingly. Here are some quick ways to incorporate technology into a classroom setting. Teach students how to properly use the internet, utilize handheld devices, implement computer science classes, use multimedia for creative presentations, target small groups, learning via online programs. Here are some quick ways to incorporate technology into a classroom setting. Teach students how to properly use the internet, utilize handheld devices, implement computer science classes, use multimedia for creative presentations, target small group learning via online programs. How to achieve mutual respect in the classroom. Establish clear classroom expectations from the first day of school. Have a discussion with your class about respect and why it is important. Model respectful behavior at all times. Role play situations in which students need help showing respect. Provide students with consistency. Technology-based learning constitutes learning via electronic technology, including the internet, satellites, broadcast, audio and video conferencing, bulletin board, chat rooms, webcasts, and CD-ROMs. Among these, technology-based learning fosters greater accessibility to learning by offering anytime and anywhere delivery. Technology based learning. Receiving respect from others is important because it helps us to feel safe and to express ourselves being respected by important people in our lives. Growing up teaches us how to be respectful toward others. Respect does not have to come naturally, it is something you learn. Multilingualism exhibits both the political and the linguistic consequences benefits of multilingual practices in education include the creation and appreciation of cultural awareness, adds academic and educational value, enhances creativity, adjustment in society, and appreciation of local language. Improves memory. Studies have shown that people who speak multiple languages have better attention, which has a positive impact on the memory skills of the person. Multiple languages, multiple perspectives. One of the benefits of being multilingual is that you can see the world in different ways. 5 benefits of the multilingual classroom. Multilingual classroom foster essential 21st century skills. Multilingual children are more empathic. Speaking more than one language is better for your brain. Multilingual connects communities. Being bilingual gives children better job prospects. The pros and conclusion of being bilingual. First, it is conversation starter. You will always be better at one than the other. It's great for the CV. Sometimes struggling to speak one language in a professional setting. It is easier to learn other language and it keeps our brain sharp. Regarding the mother tongue or tongues used by these NCCS, we have to distinguish the following 3 major types of the monolingual type. The bilingual type, the multilingual type, or the these 3 types represent our first variable. Not much has to be said about type at this stage. Bilingual is the ability to speak 2 languages proficiency through not necessarily perfectly. Multilingual, the ability to speak many languages proficiently through not necessarily perfectly. The term is often used to talk about language education and policy. The session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Any query, write in comment box, shout out your queries. Thank you.